I'll be talking about the integration between community management and the transformation to the digitization to community management in terms of all the services being provided to the community from the other side, which is from the customer perspective, which is the most important thing for us when we implement technologies. We need to consider our customers and what they need before we implement that technology. If we implemented the technology without a need for that technology, then it will be a waste for the company money and a waste of the resources of the development of the apps itself. In community management, we have certain areas we have implemented digitization or technologies, which is community events, community transportation, in the service charge billing of the community management or on the buildings management, the customer inquiries and answer to their all inquiries, also in the announcement that is related to the communities in terms of updates or COVIDs or anything related to community updates. Also, one of the important aspects is the community events, especially in the engagement part for the people who are living within the communities. Plus, in addition to that, we are currently developing that, which is the Homeowners Associations platform that manages all aspects of homeowners associations in the special economic zones, not in the base economies. As everyone knows, all these areas we can implement technologies, but we need to have the need to implement the technologies in those areas. Mainly the advantages of implementing the technologies based on experiences that we have managed to reduce customer angerness and increase the level of satisfaction in customers. Also, reach out to our customers in a very fast manner and in a very unique, unified channels that can give our customers the message that we need to deliver on spot. The most important thing that I see always in implementing technologies, and that especially this message goes to the apps developers and the technology developers, that we always need to have ERP integration in place. ERP engines are very important to have them to be integrable. Any app that is not integrable today in the market with both of the giants ERPs, it won't have big chances in the market, and I can tell that, especially based on previous experiences with the Vision 2030 and previous experiences with the PIF, with the Public Investment Fund in Saudi. Every app that used to be coming to us, we used to say, are you integrable with both? Are you integrable with one of the big ERB's apps? For the channels that we can use to utilize the technologies, which is or implement for our customers, the call centers, the mobile apps, and the chatbots. The most weak channel towards the customer is the chatbot, because every customer needs a human interaction. A human interaction, the chatbot will not, and by all means will not replace the human interaction, because every customer has a pain, and that pain is why we are implementing the technologies and why we are bringing technologies in the organization from the first place. I'll give an example about an automation that we did in King Abdullah Economic City for the transportation function. As the founder, Charles Hutze of Ritz-Carlton Chains, he said whenever there is a customer pain, the organization has to open its eyes and see how to resolve that pain. So there was a customer pain where the customers were complaining about the timing and the control of the buses' arrivals within the community buses, and they wanted to understand how to reach to those buses or where to reach those buses. So we have gathered a workforce. In that workforce, we found out that there is an actual pain that we are, as an organization, unable to track the buses, plus our message wasn't clear to our customers. So in the application that being developed in-house within the company, we have embedded the tracking system of the bus so that we can track all our operations of the transportation function. In the meantime, the customer can see the schedule and the stops. Also, the customer, whenever he opens the apps, he can know where is the bus standing at the moment and from when is the bus will arrive to the next stage or the next bus stop.